Parati oras ka.
My name is Supriya Angelica, 19, Barangay of Tribal. My name is
Hola! Sukaw, sukaw.
About 24, Philippines.
Tak na. Iring sa day.
Filipinas. My name is Chelsea.
Advocacy. Go, advocacy. Go.
Angelica Nancy.
Ayaw mo. Advocacy sa day. Advocacy sa advocacy.
Wow!
Sige. Ayaw una si Blue. Ikaw una day ang kaning kwanday. Oh, na.
Okay, this is senior citizens competition.
Everybody wants to be treated fair inequality.
Allah.
But with the existence of Soljiville, it would seem that this the sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression equality,
Ano ba ako, Jonas?
also known as anti-discrimination bill, will have possible
Sige.
positive effect not
Jonas
only
ako.
for the LGBTQ+,
Go pa sa
but
judge,
for
oh.
everyone in the country. It would offer job opportunities as the LGBTQ+ would not limit it to a certain role. It would also promote equality for everyone in the country, regardless of race, ethnicity, sexual preferences, and the like, and will provide the fairness from discrimination, sexual preferences, and I thank you so much.
Oh, wow! Very well said! Now, let's proceed sa itong candidate number 2, Jonas!
How can you define
Ay, psst, bayot, wala question ang kwanday. Wala question ang advocacy. Advocacy day na unsa.
Balik.
Okay.
My advocacy is the youth and free time of the HIV like the person.
Hoy, padayon day ko.
When I break this HIV like the AIDS, the viruses, I want to go through very important. They be like the lesbian of the LGBTQI community. I want to solve the viruses, the light of the copies of the race patients. I thank you.
Oh, wow, very good. Di pagansi. Oh, bayot, number 3 day. Di pagansi. Oh, number 3. Oh, number 3. Nag-ready pa si number 3. Oh, dali.
Pagdali na kayo.
Hala, third. Secondary up na lang. Kung dili magkuhan.
Saan na lang kay
John Hems. Day, John Hems. Oh, anak.
1, 2, 3, go! Sige, pag baka daw, gusto yung premyo, anak. Lucky.
Lucky na.
Oh, si Monmon. Ito ay premium si Monmon.
Lucky dahil
Coin.
this one.
Hala.
My advocacy is about to be successful. Success is not the key to happiness, but happiness is the key.
Wow!
If you love, you do it, and you will be successful.
Gaya mo na. Wala patay.
The swimsuit competition.
Ala ko.
Winner number 1.
Wow!
Hala pa.
Pasaleda.
Pasalala na.
Leda kayo ang
Lalalala. Hala si...
Follow me, introduction. Hala.
Hala.
Wow! Sige na, ikaw man magkanta, Jumi.
Lapat, hala, birthday o grace and projection, oh. Wala mo, daog na jud ni Ron.
Agoy mo. Pindihon dyan si Jonas Ani ba?
Hala, paniguro gina day. Hala, gwapa kay si naka-blue, oh.
Hala, Jonas.
Bapang ang nakakuan rin. Mas ko pa ang bet. Bet na bet.
Laki ka kayo. Uy,
Lalalala, daog.
Lam, papa.
Okay, na. Preliminary.
Ako na lang.
Preliminary interview beginning with number 1 and number 2. Number 2 na una.
Okay, question Ibong. Ikaw, hatag question. If you will die today, why not tomorrow? If you will die tomorrow, why not today, di ay?
Light tomorrow is the very power of the praise and light. Because in life I want to very, very important lesson to keep inspired in life. That person. I thank you.
Ah!